Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm showing you guys how I installed this 24-inch Afro Curly wig from Unice. Now this, I wanted to go ahead and show you guys what the curl pattern is looking like up close. This is their Afro Curly once again, and it is honestly such a beautiful curl. This has to honestly be one of my favorites that I've had from them thus far. So now in the video I'm showing you guys how I'm anchoring or clipping on the clips to my braids at the front. I forgot to show you guys what my braid down is looking like underneath of the wig, but honestly I just have 4 cornrows at the top going back, and I'm using those as an anchor to clip the wig onto them, because later on in the video I'm going to show you guys how I do my no leave out method by crocheting the hair. So now that the wig is on, I'm showing you guys what it is looking like with no manipulation, no water, anything. So now we're going to go ahead and show you guys how I am crocheting the hair through. It's honestly simple, simple steps. I'm just going through with a open hook, and then I'm looping the hair through, and then once I'm going to pull the hair through, I'm making sure that all the hair is pulled through, because sometimes some hair does get stuck or it doesn't pull all the way through sometimes. So I'm going to do this a few more times just to let you guys see and get it down. So I'm going to be going ahead and doing that in the next few clips.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do like you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
So now that my hair is crocheted at the top, I'm just going to go ahead and take my regular spray bottle with nothing but water in it, you guys, and I'm going to go ahead and spray down my hair. This time around, I'm not going to go ahead and put any products in the hair. I honestly just like to go in with some water in my Demon brush because I love the way that the hair dries when I'm just using water. It really comes out nice and fluffy. So that is what I'm going to be doing in the next few clips, as you guys see me wet my hair and go through and define the curls with the Demon brush.
Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's true indeed. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is more than a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you.
So after I'm done wetting the hair, I kind of wanted to speed up the drying process. I honestly usually diffuse my hair, but please forgive me, you guys, I could not find my diffuser to save my life. So I'm just going in with my blow dryer on a cool setting so that my hair doesn't frizz up. And I'm just blow drying the hair in a downward motion, and I'm just scrunching it up to make sure that the curl is still there. So yeah, once I was done that, the hair is now, I want to say like 75% dry. I'm just going in and taking out some of the leave out that I left out in the front. And yes, guys, I know my edges is looking a little crazy in this video right now, but I've kind of been honestly in like the no gel on my edges mood kind of lately. So yeah, sorry if they are looking a mess, but my hair does cover it up in the front, so you guys don't have to worry about that. So yes, this is I'm getting close to the end of the video, and this is what the entire look is looking like after I am done taking out my leave out in the front and having the hair dry. And once again, thank you guys so much for watching.